Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and the problem in front of us today is a rectangle with measurements 2x plus 1 by x. We know the area of this thing. It's 105 units squared, whatever those units are. Meters, inches, feet, kilometers, doesn't matter. We're asked to find x. Now, I've already done some of the work on this, and you'll see that in a moment. But I just want to talk about how we get to the point where I can do that work. We know three things. We know this, and we know the area. We also, the fourth thing, know this is a rectangle, and we know how to find the area of a rectangle, which is by multiplying this side by this side. So if we do that, if we multiply this side by this side, we get 105. Okay, so let's try that. And that's what you see here. X times 2x plus 1 equals 105. If you expand this bracket, what you get is this. And this screams quadratic at you, hopefully. And what we need to do is we need to solve the quadratic in this form for 0. So let's think about how we do that. Now this is as far as the working has got, and from here it might be hit and miss. I might get lucky the first time. So I look at 105 and I say to myself, this has got to have a factor that ends in 5 in it. So factors of 105, well, 5 and 21. 5 and 21 is not going to combine in such a way that I'm going to wind up with one positive x here. So what's the next one up? I can't use 10, I can use 15. 7 times 15 is 105. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. That gives me 105. 7 times 2 is 14. So if I put the 7 here, 7 times 2x will give me 14x. And if I put the 15 here, 15 times x will give me 15x. If I make this negative, so we have 2x times negative 7, that gives me negative 14x, and leave this as positive, I'm going to get the x that I want in the middle, the positive x, and I'm going to get negative 105, and I've got 2x squared. So this is the quadratic we want. But we still have a little way to go. We need to find a solution to this. Now there are two solutions to this quadratic. One is that x equals 7, that's the easy one here, and 2x equals 15. That is 2x plus 15 equals 0. What am I saying? That is going to be slightly more difficult. X is equal to negative 15 over 2, which is equal to negative 7.5. Okay, so next question. Which one of these is the correct answer? Well, the correct answer is this. Why? Because it's positive. Nothing could be simpler. You can't get out a measuring tape and find me negative 7.5 meters or inches or feet. So our answer is 7. And if we put that in, what we get is we get 2 times 7 plus 1 times 7. So 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 15 times 7 is 105. Problem solved. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.